Hello everybody, welcome back to Hands On with me, with Victoria. Get ready to make an amazing art today. I'm sure you have seen many films or series or books inspired in dragons. Don't you love them? Dragons are amazing creatures. They are big, they can fly, they can blow fire through their mouth. And today we are going to draw a dragon's eye. To make this craft today, we need very simple materials. A white piece of paper. I took a small one. I folded a paper by 4 parts, and this is one of them. A pencil, a rubber, a black marker, and colorful colored pencils. I'm going to make this video in 2 parts. In the first one, we are going to draw the eye, only the inside part of the eye, and in the second one, we are going to draw and color the scales around the eye. I'm doing it in 2 parts because although it's not very difficult, it's a task where you have to focus and do your best, and we have to work with many techniques, so it is better to do it slowly. So get your paper and your pencil ready and let's start. Let's draw the shape of our dragon eye. It is important that you draw it big. Don't take only the center of the paper. We want a big and bright dragon eye. Now we are going to make 2 lines as a reference for the center of the eye. And let's draw a second line around the eye. Okay, now we have the first step. Let's talk about the color. Once you have the shape of the eye done, now it's time to choose the color. This is a very important step. Do you remember the color wheel that we made some videos before? You can check it out. In the color wheel, we can find all the colors, and to choose the color for this dragon eye, I want you to take 2 complementary colors. But what are complementary colors? The complementary colors are the colors that you can see in the opposite sides of the color wheel. So purple is the complementary of yellow, or green is the complementary of red. You can check your color wheel and choose 2 complementary colors. Once you have decided what color do you want for your eye, it's time to take all the shades that you have of that color. I'm going to make it pink. So I took all these shades of pink and black to make it darker. So now let's put some color on it. It's time to add the color to our dragon's eye. I'm going to start on the lightest color in the center, and I'm going to move to darker on the edge. Look how I do it. It's important that you color very soft and add pressure little by little. colors have to mix around the eye. Now we can add more pressure to the colors and mix them a little bit more. Can add some darkest line and add pressure on the edges. Now that we have the color, we can make the center of the eye with our black marker. But we are not going to draw straight lines. Looks great, isn't it? Let's add some bright to the eye, just cutting 2 little circles of white paper and sticking it with some glue, like this. And now, if you want to see how to draw amazing scales around the eye, go to my next video. See you there. Bye.